guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me, we have our first T-Type sale. This is a 1987 Buick Regal T-Type, red interior, column shift. The cool part about it is it has a fully built motor and a built transmission. 550 wheel horsepower, runs on 100 octane. This is a weekend warrior. If you want to find out full details on this, see underside shots, see this thing perform, click on the link below. You're going to see it perform right now, but click on the link below for all the information. Overall condition, I'd rate this a 6 out of 10. It does have imperfections throughout. Bumpers are starting to show oxidation. Bumper fillers do not match. But the reason I bought this one is because of the motor. So body lines are pretty straight. There are a couple of imperfections that you'll see, like little rock chips throughout, and that's why I'm giving it that rating. Roof line's very nice, but the paint could be better. You can see some sun fade here, a little bit of oxidation. Underneath it, it has been coated with some sort of black coating, and that's to prevent rust, and it is solid, so you're gonna be able to see the underside shots. Has a set of GNX replica style wheels that look great, dual exhaust, and a built motor with forged internals, the whole 9 yards. We're gonna break that build sheet down in the description, so if you click on the link below, you'll be able to see that. I'm popping the hood right now. This is the good stuff. Boom.
Give them the good stuff.
Yeah, precision turbo. The whole, oh man, oh my gosh, I have no words. It's so beautiful. So it has a precision turbo. It is running on 100 octane, front mount intercooler. It is a completely built motor, and we have all the documentation for it, almost $17,000 in receipts. And then I sent it to Trackside Automotive, and he did a complete overhaul on it, head gaskets, and told me to be careful because this thing's gonna blow the tires loose. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I do not condone that on open roads. We are on private areas. We are in private areas. Oh, in Mexico, yes. Does have an external wastegate, 3-inch downpipe, or it looks like a 2.5 inch. External wastegate, 3-inch downpipe. You do have a adjustable boost controller. We have it set low because it's way too fast for the tires that are on it right now. Big old intake, upgraded MAF translator. You do have an upgraded brake system too. So the Power Master's gone, and you can see that there are no air conditioning components. The air conditioning was removed. This is a weekend warrior, as I keep on repeating. Let's jump in it and let's show you what this thing can do. I'm gonna start her up. You can hear the cam, it's aggressive. It'll drop and idle, it's cold right now. But you can hear it breathing, it smells so good. We got those GNX replica wheels with new caps on them. Listen to the turbo. Oh yeah. Let me pop the trunk so you can see the spin and we'll take it for a rip. Opening the trunk right now. Trunk is extremely clean. There's your sticker right there. And the carpet, there's a little carpet kit, and the trunk itself is very clean. Rubbers look good, taillights are in great shape. Rear bumper is really nice, but it does have pitting. And the trunk closes nicely. Let's jump in and show them what they want. Come on. Interior is extremely clean. Seats are very nice. There's a small tear up here. Dash is in great shape. Small imperfection in the glass right here that looks like someone tried to repair at one point, or it's an older repair. You do have a ScanMaster radio. Let's see. I may have it in the wrong setting. So the dash is similar to a Grand National. The only difference is the selector. This one is maxed out right now. We're going 6,000 RPMs. That's just because it wants to go fast. Our turbo gauge works. We do have an aftermarket gauge right here. You have exhaust temperature, oil pressure, which is 50 pounds right now, and our water temperature is slowly rising. How'd you like it when you drove it? Feels pretty good?
Drove beautifully.
Yep, G-bodies do drive nice. We're going over some little bit of differences in leveling, and it feels undulations. We're undulating right now. We're about to undulate this rear end. It shifts pretty firm.
Going over some bumps.
Yeah, we're going over bumps right now, no issues. This is my biggest gripe in the whole world right now is this. They keep on dumping all this dirt here and it's making all my cars dirty. So thanks DMV, or what is it? FDOT, what's your problem, bud? This thing already feels like a like a stock Grand National at partial throttle. We'll turn left here, and I can build up the boost a little bit under this tunnel so you can hear it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm trying to feather it because it starts spinning, and then the turbo kicks in even harder. You're like, oh, okay, I'm done. We're gonna bring it to our closed course so we can really test it out and let you guys decide if this is the right rocket for you. As I said, it's not perfect, but it is a perfect driveline to have a lot of fun with. This thing rips because I'm only doing like 3/4. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. What we're gonna do is bring it to our closed course back here. We'll be able to bring it to boost. I'm gonna probably do it in second gear and show you what you can do. Here we go. Let's test her out. So we'll get it to shift out of first. You ready? It blows the tires. Did you feel it? Well, we're gonna have to try that again. I'm going like this with the pedal, and it just. All right, I'm gonna go now.
This one's to eat the back tires. Oh yeah.
You don't want none of this. All right, we'll try this again. We're getting into second. Ready? We're having traction issues, my friends. Major traction issues. Feels like you're flying an airplane on the ground. It sounds like a freaking Supra going down the road. This thing is amazing. I'm gonna try to get traction one more time. It's like an American Supra right here. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Have a great day. This should not be on the road, dude. This is insane. We blew the tires out at 80. Test drive. We're obviously having traction issues. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261.